Hello everyone, Hemal here with the daily market update. First, a quick disclaimer. Okay, we'll get on to the daily charts. Before I do that, so just wanted to throw this out there. So I have three different accounts, but they're two different ways. So this account is a 401k account where I can only do indexes, and I've said this before. But the other account, I can do any stocks, other two accounts. So I don't do options, but I do stocks. So I need to pretty much have two different mind frames. So when I'm looking at indexes, because stocks work irrespective of how indexes are doing to some extent. So it is very hard to have one mindset here and then move on and have a different kind of mindset when managing the other account. I'm still working through the process, still trying to develop different process for that and different mindset for that. So hopefully I'll get better as we continue to learn and improve from here. So let's get back to the indexes very quick. So spiders, so pretty much a flat day. Like I said, it almost looks like it continues to tighten up, and then it can still break out, but with the way sentiments and everything is, it's more likely to break down at some point in near future. So this is January 1st, so we still have some ways to go. So half a week this week and then next week. So if this gets any closer to this level, I will convert my 35%. So I will start converting to cash in this 401k account. So spiders is about 35%. So if it gets anywhere closer to this upper range here, I will definitely go to cash. Let's look at Qs. Similar situation, we can see the price moving away from this trend right here. If you can draw a line, you can see the price is moving away from that line. So I'm going to get rid of this line. There are way too many lines here anyway. So same thing. If there's another up day here, I will, this is another 35%, I'll go to cash. Again, I may miss out on some upside, which is fine, because this can still, there's nothing wrong. The market is in uptrend, but I have had a very good year and I'm not willing to give it all back because I have FOMO, and I continue to have FOMO, and everybody has FOMO, fear of missing out. But I want to make sure that I am more disciplined than that. So again, if it comes anywhere, if another good up day, and then I will most likely reallocate my money to cash. IWM had a good day today, was up 1.14%. So these were the lines I had drawn. So this was the first caution for me, and then this was the second. But now we can see it can still go up. So, and this one, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. You know, it just dipped down under the ADM, and right away it reversed. So we'll see how this reacts, but I'm very close. I almost thought about putting this back to cash today, but I decided against it. So I'm very close to reallocating my money, at least in my 401k account. Now, this is what I wanted to see in this indexes, but it doesn't matter what I want to see. It may not give me what I'm really looking for. So we can see how 50 broke through here. Right? It broke through here, and then we can see it's accelerating towards the upside. So you can see it's moving away from this 21-day moving average EPA, so exponential moving average. So this is the extension it had last time when it peaked, and this is the extension from the 50-day moving average. So I shaded the colors to correlate, so it's easier for me to remember. So we can see it's very close. Now this is a growth stock, so it has accelerated, even though it may not feel that way. But this is, if the other indexes does this, we may be, in my opinion at least, getting closer to a short-term top, and then we don't really know how much correction it will incur. Again, this is all short-term stuff. I'm talking about correction 10 to 15 to 20% over the course of next few weeks, if that happens. If not, we may continue to move up, and I will miss out on those gains from here. But that's what I'm looking at. ACWI. Same thing, sideways. As we can see, the price moved away from this line like I drew in the other case. DI is very, very tight. As we can see, this is super, super tight. So again, it can go either way, just like any other indexes. So that's where I am. So I am 20% cash in one of my accounts. The other account is going to be in the market 100% for another 18 to 24 months. And then the 401k account is still 100% in mutual funds or indexes that tracks ETFs, that tracks indexes, spiders, SPY and Nasdaq and Dow Jones and small caps. So that's where I am. I am tightening up I'm taking profits as I see fit, and I continue to raise cash in all accounts, except for one account that I mentioned, which will continue to stay in the market. So let's see what happens. Shortened week, so we have a couple more days this week, and then next week is also 3.5 day week. So we'll see how this turns out. But that's what I'm looking at. That's how I feel it's going. But again, it doesn't matter what I feel. We'll have to see what market does, and then I will react accordingly. So I hope all of you guys are doing well. Take care. I will speak to you soon.